In this program we have been given a line AB which has these 2 points 5, 6, 1, 2, and there is another point which has coordinates 3, 4. Now we have been given the task to find out whether X lies on AB or not. So these questions are generally given in interviews where we are given examples like these. However, we do not have to make one simple assumption. These points can lie anywhere on the real axis. Like we have 4 quadrants. And here we have everything on this quadrant, all the points. However, when we have to solve, when we have to write the functions, we have to consider that these points can lie anywhere. So we'll first take the test cases, like what are the possibilities of the points of the line and as well as this point lying, so that we can find out whether this point actually lies on this line or not. Will be to generate equation of the line, and since the points of the line can be anywhere in the 4 quadrants, let us assume that we have 4 points, coordinates of the 2 points, and we'll have to take random numbers. For example, if we are using Java, and this is our object for random function, and let us set the limit to 10. Similarly, we can do for y1, x2 and y2. What does this give? It will give us the set of these numbers so that we can have 2 fledged points to find the equation. So let us say that we have done this in the main function, and now we have another function, let us say, to find out the equation. And what are we going to do in this function is we are going to find the equation of these points. So we'll obviously call the equation function in the main function as well. However, it is also not a big problem if we do not want to use any function. We can continue in the main function as well. So how do we find the equation? Using the formula like y2 minus y1 into x. Now we have to print it, like this will be the print statement if you're using Java, or let us not be any language specific. So y2 minus y1 into x, this is being printed, right? Plus x2 minus x1 plus x2 y1 minus x1 y2. Now this is giving us the equation of the line, which will be printed on the screen, and for our convenience it's not even necessary to put the asterisk symbol over here, because we are just making it convenient for ourselves. So we have generated the equation of the line, and now we want a point. Let us say this is x, and we want the coordinates of x are a and b, which we can input. The user can input it according to his choice, or we can specify it also. So let us take another int, let us say int s, right? And we are going to use a formula, like we have to satisfy these points over in this equation. Like now, where we have given x, we actually have to multiply y2 minus y1 with a, and where we have written y, we have to actually multiply x2 minus x1 with b. So simply we are going to calculate s using this formula. So this is how we have calculated s, and after calculating s, how will we know that whether it lies on this equation or not? It is very simple. Now we have 3 test cases or 3 conditions, and these test cases are, I'm going to erase first. So these test cases are, number 1, like this is the line and the point is lying above it, or this is the line, the point is lying on the right side of it, any case, any quadrant. So if s is greater than 0, then we can assume that here the point does not lie on the line, it lies either above it or on the right. Now similarly, in test case 2, if the line is below, if the point is below the line, or if it is on the left side of the line, s is less than 0. That means if we have calculated s and it's resulting less than 0, then our assumptions say that the point is either below the line or it is on the left side of the line. And point number 3, if s is equal to 0, then we can say that this is AB and x passes through this line. So this is simple, and then we can print our results in the print, let us say print, and whatever our case is, like point lies or point does not lie, whatever. So this is going to tell us if whether a point lies on a line or not. You can verify it on your laptop and let us know.